Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to fix general and primary option not showing on Instagram. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have already updated your Instagram app and also you have updated your phone software. And even after that, the option does not show up, we need to follow the following steps. Let's get into Instagram app. Click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner and click on this three-lined icon over here. And we can see no search option here, and if you click on settings and privacy, we cannot see such option yet. If this is the case, click on help, click on report a problem, and now click on go back and shake phone, after which we need to shake our phone. Now click on report a problem. Now include and continue. Now enter your problem. And you can add a screenshot as well. Once you are done, click on this send option over here in the top right corner. After which we'll get a reply from Instagram and our problem will be solved. So this is all we can do to fix general and primary option not showing on Instagram. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.